Emily, where's your ears? Where's your hair? Where's your mouth? Where's your eyes? No, yeah. Where's your belly? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? Where's your hair? Where's your belly? Where's your nose? Where's your hands? Where's your feet? No, where's your feet? You don't know your feet yet? That's your belly. Where's your hair? Where's your ears? No. Yep. Where's your eyes? Eyes.